Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Temple Run game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now you will need to use an Android emulator in order to install this game. So open up your web browser and then type in bluestacks.com in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into the official BlueStacks website. Now click on the download button within the homepage to download the BlueStacks installer, and then open it up and click through the next buttons to install this emulator. Once you install it, go ahead and open it up. And once you gain access to your Android home screen, tap on System Apps and then open up the Play Store. Now from the Play Store page, log into your Google account first, and after logging in, tap on the search box and then type in Temple Run and start your search. Once you find the Temple Run game, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will now begin the download and installation of the Temple Run game on your device. Once it is completed, you will be able to tap on the play button, and a shortcut will also be created on your desktop from which you can directly launch the game by double clicking on it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Temple Run game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.